Bring your dull tools back to life with a sharpening stone tool set. Whether it's kitchen knives, chisels, or woodworking blades, this kit includes everything you need for pro-level sharpening. Dual-sided grit stones, a non-slip base, and an angle guide make it easy to get precision edges every time. Safe, effective, and long-lasting. This is the secret to sharper tools and smoother cuts. It's a must-have for any workshop or kitchen. Don't let the size fool you. The Tietoc mini electric chainsaw cuts through thick branches and logs effortlessly. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for yard work, pruning, or outdoor adventures. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it delivers clean, smooth cuts with less kickback and more control. Ideal for anyone tired of heavy, noisy chainsaws. This tool makes cutting fast, fun, and easy. Great for campers, gardeners, and homeowners alike. Meet the THORVALD 6-in-1 Multi-Tool, your compact solution to tackle 6 tasks in one smart design. Use it as a scraper, box opener, nail puller, paint can opener, pry tool, and more. Built tough for both pros and DIY lovers, this handy device slips into your pocket or toolbox and goes wherever you go. Whether you're renovating or fixing on the fly, this little tool is your big-time helper. From sanding and carving to engraving and polishing, the Fanttik Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is the ultimate compact companion for precision projects. This lightweight yet powerful tool comes with multiple speed settings and a wide array of attachments, making it ideal for crafters, hobbyists, and DIYers. Its cordless design offers unmatched freedom while working on delicate models, jewelry, or repairs. Get creative, get clean cuts, and get it done anytime, anywhere. The Worx Pegasus folding table is more than just a table. It's your portable workshop. It converts from a workbench to a sawhorse in seconds, supporting up to 300 pounds as a table and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. It includes quick clamps and multiple slots to hold tools, pipes, or wood firmly in place. Lightweight, foldable, and sturdy, it's perfect for garages, job sites, or outdoor builds. Efficiency meets mobility. Unlock the art of wood carving with the BeaverCraft wood carving kit. This complete set includes razor-sharp knives, a polishing compound, and leather strop. Everything beginners need to start sculpting beautiful figures or spoons. Ergonomic wooden handles offer comfort during long sessions, and the high carbon steel blades stay sharp longer. Whether you're learning or gifting, this kit makes carving accessible, safe, and seriously fun. A thoughtful gift for creators and tinkerers. Tackle over 100 tasks with the powerful Dremel Tool Kit, a must-have for any DIYer or craftsman. With high-speed rotary performance and a variety of attachments, you can engrave, sand, grind, polish, sharpen, or cut just about anything. Its compact design makes it easy to control, while variable speeds give you full flexibility. Whether you're working on wood, metal, glass, or plastic, this kit turns imagination into precision. Tired of tangled cords and bulky gear? The Saker Mini Cordless Chainsaw is your lightweight, battery-powered answer for trimming trees, cutting firewood, and managing backyard cleanup. With a sharp chain, powerful motor, and safety features built in, this compact saw gets the job done fast and clean. It's easy to use even for beginners, and powerful enough for daily yard work. Keep your outdoors neat without breaking a sweat. Stay clean, protected, and organized with the Woodworking Apron for men. Built from durable canvas with reinforced pockets and adjustable straps, it holds your tools while withstanding dust, sparks, and sharp edges. Whether you're sanding, sawing, or welding, this apron keeps your gear at your side and your clothes spotless. Designed for makers, builders, and craftsmen, it's practical, stylish, and built to last. A workshop essential.